What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm about to meet up with the homie Nick. We're gonna go to a car meet up with Enrique, and we're gonna check out this Formula Drift car event. It should be fun. This should be packed. We're kind of a little bit late. Hopefully we still get a good parking spot. But yeah, it is super early, guys. I'm tired. Called Nick and I was like, yo, like, are you still trying to go? Like, if not, it's cool. Like, I'll stay sleeping. But we just kind of both agreed to go, so we're like, all right, let's just do it. So waiting for him to pull up, and then we're gonna go check out this meet. Like I said, should be fun. So hope you guys do enjoy the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and let's wait for the homie to pull up. Looks so clean rolling. Guys, it's such a nice day out today too. Alright guys, we have just made it. As you can see, we got all the homies parked up. We got a couple E92s, G80s, we got an M4 convertible, M2 CS. We're gonna go through all the cars right now and check them out. Guys, starting off, we have this beautiful E39 M5, the old school right here. It's V8, but it's nice though. You don't really see too many of the E39s out there, but definitely got a lot of love for them. Super nice. Got the homie Enrique's beautiful G80, the homie Nick, as you guys know. And then we got my car. We're posted up, chilling right now. I think it's gonna be really packed. I think you just need to let time build up, and then we'll be good. We've got a super clean E92 M3 on Apex wheels. Super nice. They got like a goldish bronze color. It's pretty nice. We've got the new Corolla. I think this is like the GR. It's like a special edition one. I can't tell if that's paint or if that's wrap, but regardless, it looks good. It's pretty nice. We've got a beautiful M2 CS. Damn, this is nice. As you can see, yep, M2 CS. Look at the roof. It's carbon checkers. That's just sick. Never seen that carbon before.
Why did they do that with that thing?
I don't know. It's nice. The wheels are nice too.
Might get a stock fee, huh?
Yeah, I like stock wheels.
OEM Plus?
Yep. This shit's really nice. Alcantara steering wheel, and I believe, oh, I didn't know they came DCT. I thought they only came manual. Look at the hood vent too. That's pretty cool. It's different. Super nice M2 CS. 90 M3. Damn, look at the BBK. Damn, that's crazy.
Look at the steering wheel, bro. You need to do that in your chest.
Oh shoot, yeah, this is the
It'll literally fit perfectly
that's
in
just
the car.
nice.
This car is like the track edition.
Yeah, this is super nice.
Bro, it looks so good in your car because your car's like literally the track. Oh. You need the steering wheel. This is like all over you.
That's crazy. Got the Recaros in there. Look at the steering wheel. That's just sick. And he's got the cloth seats too, which is a really nice spec. Carbon roof on the E90. It's crazy, guys, because they never came with carbon roof, but you can add it. I know it's like a lot of work and process, but it's pretty cool that you can do carbon roofs on the E90. Super clean. The paint looks insane. We've got an M4 convertible competition. First of all over areas. That's just nice. Got the carbon spoiler, carbon diffuser. Got the shadow line wheels, comps. V2 electronic steering wheel. Sheesh, we are twinning. Alcantara armrest, e-brake, all the carbon. That's super nice. Very nice M4 convertible. Then we have a G82. Really nice color, alpine white with the red seats. I should say, oh, it's a 2024, guys. Look at that, 2024 M4. He's got the full screen in there. That's nice. Clean M4. Damn. Look at all the, look at the lip, the canards. That's crazy. All the carbon on the fender. Look at the mirrors. How small the wheels are. Recaro seats. The wing, yeah, it's sick. Look at the wing. That is crazy. It's very nice. We got a G80 M3 Brooklyn gray with the red bucket seats. I like that spec a lot. When they have the red bucket seats, super clean. It's a really nice G80. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Is it time for a G80? Or is it time for like a supercar? Alright guys, it is currently the next day. Sorry guys, I feel like shit right now. I've got the worst allergies. I've got a slight fever, my body aches. I just feel like shit. I have a dry cough. I don't know what the heck is going on with me, but I got tested. I don't have COVID, so everybody relax. It's all good. Right now, I'm on my way to Mini Corsa. Got to take the M4 in for brake fluid service. It's around 40,000 miles, and that's exactly where we're at. We're at 40,000 miles. 40,000 happy miles. That's all I got to say. I love driving my cars. My E92 has 99,000 miles, and I feel like that's probably like one of the highest mileage Lime Rock M3s out in the world, I think. And I'm trying to do that with the GTS next. I don't know. I do enjoy driving my cars a lot. They're fun. M4 is kind of almost like my daily a little bit. Yeah, right now we're about to go get the brake fluid service done over at Mini Corsa, and then I'll pick up the camera once we're there. All right, guys, we just pulled up here at the one and only Mini Corsa. We're about to get the M4 service ready for the weekend. Actually, no, not even this weekend. I'm gonna drive the E92 this weekend. Actually, the whole entire month of October, I'm gonna drive the E92 because it's Halloween season, the car's orange, so why not, you know? But as you can see, damn, the M4 looks so good. She needs tires ASAP all around, guys. Can't be messing around no more. The tires are really bad. Wow, it looks so good. Oh my gosh. Fire. They do everything. Maintenance-wise, suspension installs. If you guys need anything done on your... He works specifically, I feel like, just Mini Coopers, BMWs, and Porsches. That's what he like specializes in, but they do everything else. So if you need anything, hit them up, ask for Danny. Super cool guy. All right guys, you guys can see that the wheels are now taken off and they're about to start the process on this. Super excited. We need tires, guys. It's almost time. I think I'm gonna go with the same tire brand again. Cup 2s, I like them a lot. As you guys can. I'm too lazy to get up, guys. I can't do it. But he's currently draining all of the fluid out, flushing it out, put some new fluid, and then we are good to go. You guys see that? It's like yellow fluid. It's not supposed to look like that. The fresh fluid, blue?
It's
Red? No, I'm just kidding.
yeah, now it's the fresh one. Falta un poco.
It's going pee. Pee-pee.
Something like that.
Guys, these are like the best brakes ever. Carbon ceramic brakes, bro. Insane. If you have the option to spec out a BMW or any car with carbon ceramic brakes, it's a must. Guys, it's all done, completed. What a baddie. God damn. I love those cold starts. Only thing is a little driveway here. Kind of sketch. The car feels good. Braking and stuff. Feel a difference in it. The next thing we need on the list, guys, is tires. Thank you. The only thing we gotta be careful here is this damn little driveway. Definitely hit up Mini Corsa. I'll drop his Instagram down below right here. Hit up Danny. He's had a bunch of F80s, E9X. He knows those cars like like if he designed them himself. Tracked them all. So really solid dude. Does great work. So hit him up. Let him know Life with KG sent you guys. Alrighty guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.